Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to search photos in Google Photos step by step. This is the fastest way to find any photo or video in your library. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Photos Google.com. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're in Google Photos, click the search bar at the top of the screen. Now type a keyword related to the photo you're looking for. For example, you can search for beach, car, cat, food, flowers, or sunset. Google Photos will automatically show matching photos and videos. You can also search by date. Try typing a year such as 2026, a month such as July, or a specific date if you remember when the photo was taken. Another useful option is searching by location. If location information is available, you can search for a city or place name. You can also search by people if face grouping is enabled in your Google Photos account. To make your search even easier, use albums and organized folders along with the search feature. If you don't find the photo immediately, try using different keywords or a different date. Google Photos uses Smart Search, so it can often find photos even if you don't remember the exact file name. That's it. You have successfully searched for photos in Google Photos. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Google Photos tutorials. See you in the next video.